Welcome back, everybody. I got a question for you. Maybe I should ask Grok or ChatGTP or some other search engine. What do you call a person, a well intentioned person, who acquires or accumulates or buys things intending to do something, and then due to life and life circumstances, it never gets done? So, here's a mail call. July 17th, 2024. And that's not too bad. That's only a year and 9 months. So a friend of mine sells supplies and accessories to wood turners. So I ordered two of these because I wanted to try and make something that I could use in my kitchen. So, as you know, or may not know, I like coffee, but I like fresh ground coffee. Now, my one grandmother had a coffee grinder on the wall, and she would grind the coffee into a little cup, and she would make 1 cup at a time, and they leave the beans in the coffee grinder. Well, I do things a little different. I want to grind up a whole bag of beans at one time and then put them in a jar so that I don't have to grind the coffee each day. So I thought, why not make a coffee grinder? So he sells these coffee grinder kits. This looks like some sort of screws for attaching. Do, 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 do. And this is the handle. Do, 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 do. I hope you're having a good day. Rain day here today. Let's see, how does this go together? Probably you're going to have to look at the instructions, or at least a picture. How many of you do that? You work off of a picture. So this is going to require making a box. They don't tell you how to put it together, but I'm assuming and one should never assume that this just goes on top like this. But that would allow it to, maybe not. Let's see. I guess that's pretty much it. And there's an adjustment here for the grind. How do you make that adjustment? We'll figure that out. So the thing is, what you do is you open this little door, you put your coffee beans down in there, and there's a grinder. Now, sadly, it's a ceramic or plastic grinder. And then we put that on a box, but I also thought it might even fit just right on a mason jar. And then I could sit there and crank, 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 and the coffee goes in the mason jar. Might try a couple of things. So if you can figure out what the word is for a person who is well-intentioned, knowledgeable, knows how to get things done, but just doesn't get it done, let me know. I don't know if you watched my last video. But why Schmai? Does it really matter? Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.